So join me on an evening walking tour. So I'm going to start from Discovery Mall and I'm going to head towards the airport way, which is that way. On the other side of the road here, we've got Waterfront, which is the water park. And I'm just going to walk down, and there is another mall about 10 minutes walk down here. And we're just going to go and check out the nightlife, see what's going on. If you like this kind of content, please do give me a like, subscribe if you're interested in this kind of stuff. It's completely free and you will be supporting my channel. I'd really appreciate it. If you know anyone who's coming to Bali, to Kuta, why don't you share the link? Hi. Hello. Oh, we got lots of fresh stuff going on. Roofer. Grab. Lamb curry, 100k. I'm just going to talk over this a little bit because we've got a little bit of music going on and I don't want to hit a copyright strike. There's like a mixed club over there with lots of seats and I think old cars and retro stuff going on. Interesting. That's just over there. No one's there in a minute, it's quiet, must be too early. Oh, time of filming, we're about 7 o'clock, it's just after sunset. I've just been to the beach to check the sunset out. People are just relaxing, chilling out. I'm just heading back to my hotel, so I just thought I'd do a bit of a nighttime walk. So you can see what's going on. This neck of the woods, a lot of the big hotels are here. As you can see, quite a few big ones on this strip. I've done quite a few walk through tours. Most of these, I've not done that one I've just shown you. I might do that tomorrow. I've been around this hotel here. I was in Legion the other week. That's how you pronounce it. I've done a There's a few reviews of hotels and walking around the streets there, so if you want to check those out, just have a look at my Indonesian playlist. There's plenty of stuff on there. Also, I've got quite a bit of stuff on the Gili Islands, so if you want to check out Gili Air, Gili Sea, I've got quite a few videos of accommodation and walking tours of what's currently open on the islands. Filming in the middle of February here at the moment. Well, it is low season in Bali. It's nice and quiet. We've had some mad crazy weather. Had some small monsoon was in the Indian Ocean. Hello. No, thank you. Hello. Which was bringing quite a lot of cloud and rain and wind all over Indonesia. So hopefully that's out of the way now and we can get on to some nice weather.
Welcome to Bali.
Hello. Hey.
Come to Bali.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Yes, shopping.
Not yet, walking. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Everywhere's a massage. I've already had a lovely massage earlier on this afternoon. Tramp pan from one side of the road to the other when there's stuff to see. We've got lots of original fakes going on, so if you want to buy yourself a top-notch original fake, there's plenty of shops there that'll sell you them. There we go.
Shopping boss.
No, not yet. Hello.
Hello. Hi, Shanghai.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. I'm not in the market yet. So many shops, selling so much stuff. Oh, you gotta watch out for these side roads for the bikes coming out. So many places. Good food. Oh, dog's having a good scratch. Duck. Hello.
Are you vlogging?
Oh, a big sports bar. I bet that's air conditioned as well. I might go in there later. Irish pub. A lot of people will still be in the hotels around here just having their evening meal, so it's relatively quiet at the moment. It gets a little bit busier later on in the evening. That's my current hotel, Eden. That's where I'm staying at the moment. They've got a restaurant up there and like a bistro thing called the 360. So if you want to pop in, get some street views, chill out. Now, there is another big mall down here with a big supermarket at the bottom. Picked up a lot of my supplies while I was here. Medicines, shampoos, all your essentials, coffee, tea, drinking chocolate. Next week I'm back on the islands and it's not always available. Well, it is available on the islands, but it's a lot more expensive. So if you want to pick up your stuff, supermarket prices. It's on the bottom floor, on the ground floor. And when we get there, I'll tell you the name of it, but I can't remember. So.
Hey, brother.
Hey.
Very good.
All good.
Taxi?
No. Walking. These guys are great on the bike. Will pretty much take you anywhere for just less than £1. I've been using them when I've walked too far and. Yes, boss. Beep, beep.
Yeah, I have. But I'll recommend.
When I've walked a long way and it's too hot to walk back.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
This place is always busy.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you.
Hello.
There we go. Always busy here. Yeah. No, in fact, I've walked past day and night. That runs always absolutely chock-a-block. So it must be good. I was going to go myself this afternoon, but I walked past. There wasn't a seat available, so maybe I'll try again. Here we go. Now we're nearly at the other mall. It was raining that much the other day that this road was about 3 inches deep in water for about 6 hours. There you go. Supermarket Primo. No, thank you. No, thank you. All good. Hello. I was thinking they were offering more than a massage there. So yeah, so this place here has got a lovely Thai place downstairs doing great Thai food. Really, really nice actually. And inside, shopping centre. Go downstairs one flight, and you'll get to the supermarket I've just been telling you about. Well worth a shop if you're after all your bits and bats that if you forgot your stuff. Right, okay, there you go. I think I'll conclude my little walking tour there. I think I'm going to stop off now, get myself a cheeky bintang. Catch you later, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.